Welcome to our channel Shazil Check. What is a conference call? What is a conference call? A conference call is a meeting where participants connect via audio, video, or a web to conference rooms using an access number. A meeting organizer commonly assembles and participant list and invites attendees before the event of a conference call connects parties by phone or computer rather than in a person. Key takeaway: a conference call is a meeting where participants connect via audio, video, or web to the conference room using an access number. Audio, video, and web platforms are the common types of conference calling. Companies may use conference call of training, weekly meeting, or an earnings call to discuss the company's financials. Types of conference call: audio, user connect and communicate via landline or any VoIP based phone service. Video, the participants joined a shared virtual space using the webcams in a real-time audio-visual calls, and web users can contact and presentations of event online and participate interact through screen sharing. How conference call works: service providers commonly facilitate conference calls. Conference call service make communication assemble even when you employees are geographically distanced in 2022. Nearly 1.3 billion global visited Zoom as and a video conferencing platform from remote work, distance education, online social meetings. And companies may use conference call for the training and weekly meeting or an earning call discuss to companies financially and other key performing KPI that the drive business operations. Earning call are held 4 times yearly, typically after each quarterly earnings. For many companies, the conference call can allay fears credit during the quarters or the reinforce the message of the positive future growth. If a company was the center of the controversy, missed analyzed estimates the issued weak guidance, the call is and the opportunities for managements to address that weakness. Service provider: many conference calling service offer free trials before user commit to a particular plan. Ring Central, AT&T, and GoToMeeting offer voice conference calling services. Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and Microsoft Teams provide Microsoft features such as screen sharing, cloud recording, rooms, and sharing. What a common feature of a video conferencing softwares and someone best one of the calls. Some are ideals of small groups. Other can the handle large meeting of the web night. The best video conferencing software should be reliable, easy to use. And what is the difference between free and conference services? A free call a service provide basis and usually time limit.